Hi all, welcome to Diversified Finance. My name is Lakal. So let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin price action. And before that, yesterday I did a video and I mentioned if you're planning to, that you are not late to the party, right? You're maybe like 10, 15 minutes late to the party, but it's not too bad. So if you've seen my video, yesterday I mentioned, let's say you have $10,000, like for example, you take 5,000 out of that, so 50% out of 10,000 you take it, and then you buy $3,000 worth of Bitcoin, $1,000 worth of Litecoin, and $1,000 worth of Cardano. So that's what I mentioned yesterday. So now, as you can see, overnight, because of the Fed meeting, Bitcoin price has dropped a bit, but it recovered right now. I think I've seen price just went all the way, as you can see on the chart. Price went all the way back up to 28,800, and then it dropped to 26,650, and now it's somewhere near 27,238 or so. So now what we can do, we still have 50% cash remaining from yesterday, right? Which is like, as per the example I've taken, so you still have another $5,000 left. So today you can take that $5,000 and you can invest $2,000 worth of, you can buy $2,000 worth of Bitcoin. Right? So overall, then you're gonna have $5,000 invested in Bitcoin, and you can take $2,000 out of that, and you can buy XRP. Sorry, let's say you use $1,000 out of the remaining 3,000, and you buy XRP. The other $1,000 you can buy Matic, and the remaining 1,000 you can use and buy Link, right? So yesterday, let me go through it again. Yesterday, we taken out $5,000 and we bought $3,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? And then $1,000 worth of Litecoin, $1,000 worth of Cardano. So today, we take the remaining 5,000 and use $2,000 to buy Bitcoin, $1,000 to buy XRP, another $1,000 to buy Matic, and the other $1,000 to buy Link, right? So end of today, you probably have $5,000 in Bitcoin out of 10,000. So let's say this is an example, right? I'm not asking you to exactly invest 10,000. So out of that 10,000, by end of today, you would have $5,000 worth of $5,000 worth of Bitcoin, $1,000 worth of XRP, $1,000 worth of Cardano, $1,000 worth of Matic, and $1,000 worth of Link, right? So basically, Bitcoin and 4 more altcoins. I would say 5 more altcoins, right? Bitcoin plus 5 more altcoins. That's what you should have end of today. And once you've done that, you don't need to do anything, right? So you are fully invested in the market right now. And because we still, this rally, like, look at, this is the weekly chart, it hasn't changed a bit, right? Just because, yes, we had a bit of a correction overnight, but looking at the weekly chart, nothing has changed. The bull trend is still intact. I'm still expecting Bitcoin to go to 40K, 50K, and if we are really lucky, even up to 60K. There's a possibility it could go there, right? 40K is easy, 50K is 80%, like 80%, 70% chance for us to see 50K. And if you're really, really lucky, there could be like 50 to 60% we would see 60K. So this is what I'm expecting. 40K is very easy. So once you've done that, you don't need to do anything. Just wait and like sit down and relax. Let the market do whatever it's supposed to do. And then when the market has gone up to like 50K, right, or 40, 50K, then we can go back and look at the chart and look at the RSI. If it's oversold, if it's going to overbought territory, then we know that's the time for us to take some profit, right? So let me remind you the coins that we bought yesterday and we are planning to buy today. So Bitcoin, $5,000 in Bitcoin, and $1,000 each on all these altcoins. So those altcoins are Litecoin, Cardano, XRP, Link, and Matic. Right? Those are the 5 altcoins that we're gonna buy $1,000 each. Right? But right now, you already got Bitcoin, XRP, and Cardano. But today, you're gonna add Bitcoin plus 3 other altcoins, which I just mentioned earlier, right? Link, you can just you can go back and have a look at it. So yeah, that's it. So that's what we're going to do. So I want to make this clear. Bitcoin, the trend is still bullish, and also I want to just play a video, probably 3-4 months ago when Bitcoin dropped to like about 15,500 to 16K. I made this video and I put it on my YouTube channel, and I mentioned it's a really good buying opportunity. I just want you to let me just go there quickly and play it, and then just listen to what I said on that day. So what is likely to happen looking at the past, right? This price could quickly, within a couple of weeks, it could come back up to this mid-range, right? Somewhere near 19,520K. So the point is, it's a good time to accumulate Bitcoin. That's the whole point of this video. It's a great buying opportunity, and also if you look at the RSI, you can see massive bullish divergence in the RSI. So RSI is going up, right? RSI has higher lows. Bitcoin price got lower lows, right? Price action. So this is we call this bullish divergence on the RSI. So we would probably see in a couple of weeks' time Bitcoin back about 19,500 or like 20K. This could easily happen. And then if we consolidate there for some time, and then we probably be able to see a lot higher prices. And then we've seen a lot of buy signals coming up right now because everyone's scared, everyone's taking money out of the exchange, and that'll be a perfect time for us to get in. Okay, that's just a quick video in regards to Bollinger Japan's and RSI. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you. See ya. Yeah, so as you heard, that video, I did that video like when Bitcoin was somewhere near 16,500. So we saw this coming, right? And then things have worked out exactly the way we expected, which is a good thing. I hope everyone bought Bitcoin. So that was the time I entered into most altcoins, right? I kept on DCing them along the way, but the last bit of money that I had I put that money 4 months ago, which is like last year around like November, December, right? That was the perfect time. Then everyone's like scared. That's when you invest. When everyone's selling, that's when you buy, right? We need to do the exact opposite to make money out of this market. So, anyways, so I hope I'm gonna make a small portfolio on my app, and I'm gonna add those 5 coins and Bitcoin and those 5 altcoins. And I would say, like, for example, 10,000 invested in this Bitcoin and 5 altcoins. So we're going to track that and see, like, probably within a couple of months, how much money we would have made, right? If someone followed my advice, and if someone has invested that sort of money, we can have a look at it like in a few months time, how much money you would have made out of 10,000. So that's the plan. So I'll keep on updating it, like, every time I do a video starting from like in the future. Okay, so it's pretty good time, like, these are the times that you got to be in Bitcoin, right? I mean, do not wait until you see like 50K Bitcoin and then come back and trying to find out which coins you need to buy, right? Act fast. You have to get into the market and to have some sort of skin in the game right now if you want to make more profit out of this market right now. So next couple of months are looking really bullish, so don't miss out. Yeah, that's all I want to say. I don't think I need to add anything else. Yeah, that's all I think. Yeah, so thanks for your time. I'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.